What do we have for breakfast, Nick?
Whatever we have here. Corn.
Wow, corn for breakfast. That's a good one.
Yeah.
So we got 6 pieces this time. Here in Florence, South Carolina, houses are affordable. This house is really nice. It has a little walkway to get to the inside. I'm gonna take a tour of this house. Hey, Nick.
Hey, what's going on?
Not much. I wanted to take a tour of this house.
Oh yeah, sure, go ahead.
All right.
It's the living room. That's my friend Kenny. He's a photographer. He lives here.
All right, can you show me around?
Yeah, sure. Come in. That's his exposition room. He has a real old camera from 19th century.
Wow, yeah, that's a classic right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can put it in a museum probably. Huh?
Yeah. All right, what else?
I got the dining table.
Yep.
The dining room. It's all under construction because you're doing remodeling. Don't get scared.
All right.
That's the room I'm staying.
Okay. It's the first bedroom. What's this room?
That's, I guess it's his cabinet and another bedroom.
Okay, here's the second bedroom. Okay. This one has a closet. And the last one is the bathroom right here. Shower. All right, great. What is this little thing?
Oh, I don't know, it's like a kiosk when you buy a ticket for the movie theater.
Oh, so it's antique.
Yeah.
How's the backyard look?
The grass needs to be cut.
Yeah, it's gonna come. And the garage in the back.
Yeah, 70 years old house.
Well, that's old. So 1950. So after it's gonna be finished remodeling, it's gonna look really nice, huh?
Yeah, it's already getting in place. Like, you got all the vinyls outside.
So the good part about this house is what?
It's made of the red brick.
Yeah, that makes it sturdy.
Oh.
Okay, great.
Oh, now we can sit here. It's warm.
Oh yeah, it's sunny here now.
And you need sun for your head, right?
Yeah, I need sun for my head.
Vitamin D.
I'll get 20 minutes of it. All right, day 3. You gotta go visit someone at Walmart. He's coming in by truck from Miami.
Оп, да, Саш? А, окей, давай, все, я там буду через 10 минут. Хорошо. Станислав, давай.
10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
He arrived?
Yeah, you have your iPhone?
Yeah.
Put it down Sam's Club at the GPS.
All right, Sam's Club. Alrighty.
Садись сзади меня, чтобы ты не шел пешком с ящиком.
It's a nice truck.
Я взял 2 шоколадки малые.
А, спасибо, хорошо.
All right.
Только смотри, чтобы оно не растаяло.
Привет.
Окей.
Как дела?
Что, одевать маску с вами?
Ну, с нами на всякий случай, я не знаю. Ты с Майами, мы отсюда.
Yeah. Now, hey, как тебя зовут?
Алекс?
Oh, Jason. Меня зовут Jason. All right, so we'll head into Sam's Club now because it's better than Walmart. What do you have to buy?
Just the water.
Like a big case?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Maybe I'll buy something too.
Ну, давай я расскажу. Ох, нифига себе, какая очередь.
Oh man, look at that line.
Ну, ничего, а мне, в принципе,
Ну то идем в Walmart.
Я вас
We'll go to Walmart instead. Water's water. Sam's Club had too many people, so yeah, I gotta go to Walmart. There's no line going in this store.
Там уже кто-то, кстати, видел, собирает.
So you got everything?
Yeah, just water.
I got some water too. You can get petunias for just $5 for one of these hanging pots.
А?
Check engine is on.
Да, чек-engine, ABS, airbag, все, короче, он.
How many miles?
194,000.
That's a lot, huh?
Yeah.
Good.
So we just drive across the parking lot now. Hey, so how's your trip so far?
It's not bad.
What city did you start?
Greensboro.
And where are you going to?
Chicago going to Missouri. Missouri going to Seattle.
Ah,
And
Seattle.
Washington, Seattle come back in Miami.
Mm.
Miami is go to Maryland.
Okay, how many days will your trip be?
This is third week.
Oh, it's a long trip. All right. Hey, where are we going now?
Yeah, I'm looking for his truck, but his truck parked on the other side.
Here's a semi truck. He's headed up to Maryland today. He has another 8 hours to drive, so he has to push it. Oh, you can eat in here too? Well, that's nice. So you got dining area,
Well, just like,
sleeping area.
yeah, this is my stuff. It's like this table pushing down and that mattress rolling down.
And your refrigerator?
Yeah.
A freezer?
No.
No.
Right now it's corn.
Oh, okay. That's pretty nice. He's transporting corn. This whole trailer is full of corn and it's refrigerated. There's not many places to visit in Florence, but there is the Veterans Memorial Park, which we're going to visit. It's just down the Beltway line road. This way. We found the Veterans Memorial Park of Florence.
Oh wow.
That's pretty nice. They do nice landscaping. The only problem is there's no tourists here. Where's all the tourists?
I wonder if it's open for public. Yeah. Okay, let's go over here.
Okay, let's check the statue out first. They sure do a good job with keeping the grass green. You can walk your dog here. There's a little mini water fountain right behind the hotel, along with this statue.
Florence, I want to explore your Veterans Memorial Park. Yeah, well, we almost couldn't find it. That's like how hidden it is. Oh, there's some kind of... Oh, it's a road.
Well, look, they even have statue slippers here for whoever this is. Let's see. Alone with Memories. She has the flag folded. This is made by Alex Polkovich. He's a sculptor. It was designed in 2016. This place is kept immaculate. Here's another statue. It's a pentagon with the stone in the middle. This commemorates the events of 9/11. And let's see what else is going on here. Looks like there's some Vietnam commemoration, some roses. Oh, here's a nice area. Freedom is not free. That's what they say with the Korean War, 1950 to 53. That's what happens when a soldier comes back from war. His whole family is happy to see him. Here's his luggage. This is the main attraction of this park. This 3 columns with the eagle on top. We're gonna go see the bell next. This place is right behind the visitor center in Florence, by the way.
When first time when I visited Washington D.C., right, and we get closer to the Capitol Hill, and there's a policeman, right?
Yeah?
Can you go? Oh, I'm sorry, you know, like, that's the first time here. See, if it's American building, how comes Pocahontas on the top?
Oh.
He started laughing. Why it's not Pocahontas?
Okay, I'm gonna go ask these 2 tourists that we see. Hello, we're tourists to this park. How long has it been here?
Several years.
Oh, really? Okay, so you've been here before?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Where y'all from?
I'm from Las Vegas. Where are you from?
Here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We're from here. We live about, what, 5-6 miles from here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we were looking for tourist attractions in Florence.
I couldn't find any.
With all that's going on.
All we found was this park.
Yeah. This time of the year, usually there's all kind of things going on downtown until the coronavirus hit everybody. They're not doing that right now.
Oh, maybe we can go visit downtown, huh?
Yeah. There's
Okay.
a museum. I don't know if it's open.
No, museum's
Library.
not public things.
Okay.
This time of year, usually they're having music down there, like at night and stuff, but because of everything that's been going on.
My question, ask you a question. How come you're not wearing a mask?
I'm not scared. How come y'all not wearing a mask? Well, I think, to me, this whole thing is propaganda to make people scared. Now, I'm not saying there's not a virus, but the whole time, I've not worn a mask. I take wipes when I go, I wipe my hands good when I leave, and that's all I've done.
So you just take your precautions, but overall you're not afraid of it?
No.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, I don't think we're supposed to be afraid of it, and I think somebody's behind it trying to make people scared of it. But what I'm reading on the internet and stuff, and you know, you can believe it or not,
Yeah.
that the hospitals are making more money with people on ventilators, whether they need it or not. And if they die on a ventilator, they're getting more money. And if they write down it's COVID-19, when the people go in the hospital, they're getting more money. And doctors are even getting on there and saying this is crazy.
Okay.
I think they did good to start with, to close everything up so they could get a kind of a handle on it.
But why do you think would government allow this thing?
Well, certain parts of the government would like nothing better than to control everybody.
Okay.
Let's see what this bell's all about. It says it's the ship's bell from the USS South Carolina in 1909. Wow. I wonder if it has a clapper. The clapper's been removed.
No song, man.
No.
Oh, this is the ship.
That's how it looked like. Here's the memorial plaques. They got this side, and this side's for when they have more ones to put on. Right over here they still have another two walls that they haven't filled up yet, including this area that still have some space to add. This is downtown. It's the drive-in restaurant from 1957. Wow, that's a long time. That's what drive-in looks like. This is how downtown Florence looks like. The old brick buildings. Look, this is old, huh?
Yeah, that's old.
This is downtown police station. This is the railroad tracks. These are some old abandoned buildings. This is a barber shop that's closed. Looks like we are leaving downtown. We'll turn left. You can buy tons of hubcaps here. They have hundreds of them. Wow, that's an abandoned house right there. Oh, this house. Here's another abandoned house. It's all boarded up too. Confederate Museum left. Let's go check out the Confederate Museum. You think it's open? We'll go see the entrance of it.
It's dead. It's nothing here.
Yeah, I want to read the sign though. Over here we can find the museum for the war between the states. They have a flag outlet, a gift shop, souvenirs. They're open from 10 until 5. Only on Wednesday and Saturdays though. This looks really interesting. This is the neighborhood where it's located. It looks like a historic house, probably from the 1920s. Here's the flags here. Here's the information. This seems to be pretty authentic. They're trying to keep history alive, and the price of admission is only $2. It's real affordable. Kids are only $1, so it's a great place to take your kids to if you want to visit and get to know more history about this old area. Of course, it's closed due to coronavirus, but I'll come back here later on. What else is there? You can have a little picnic next door. Needs a paint job, looks like. Paint is peeling. But indoors they probably have a lot of artifacts from those days. This museum was established in 1988 in the home of Joseph McKay, the city's longest serving fire chief. It was built in 1918 and has been serving as a museum. I also learned that near Florence, South Carolina, there was a prisoner of war camp for the Union soldiers. There were 12,000 Union soldiers that were housed there back in 1864. It was called the Florence Stockade. A lot of history here. I'll come back next time to view the interior of this museum. We're gonna visit Harris Teeter shop. See what they have. Oh, a lot of veggies. Cantaloupes are on sale too for $3. They made this new contraption. You can split watermelon just with one tool.
Yeah, that's it.
You think it works well?
It's small watermelon.
Oh, I found Bing cherry juice. You can buy 4 cans for $4. No high fructose corn syrup on this. I'm gonna check the ingredients. Check the ingredients. It was a bunch of sugar and stuff inside. It was an energy drink actually, kind of like Red Bull. So I decided not to get that one. The frozen section is so interesting that over here they have things like ice on it. Looks like you have some icicles on top of these signs. You can still buy donuts here without having it boxed up beforehand. All right, what are you gonna do now? How do you kill weeds?
With salt. With salt, they absorb the salt and they're done.
How many days will it take?
4 or 5 days. By the time Kenny come back, we'll be dead.
Wow. So it kills ice and it kills weeds. That's pretty good.
How you doing, Terry?
Hold on just a second, y'all. Hey, Nick, can I call you right back?
Yes, sir. Hold on. Look, here's here.
Hey, guess who was here?
Oh, oh you're twin. Okay, I'll call you right back.
Okay, bye.
That was a good one.